Alright, we're back at the garage. We have supplies.
Day 2.
Yeah, what did we get?
These ones. This one is new. So let's see.
Yeah.
We can get it cleaned up a bit.
Here we have the Dremel. We got a bunch of these metal spongy things, which seem to work quite well to get all the crap off brakes. This is one we used yesterday, and that was after a couple of minutes of use. So they run out quite quickly, so that's why we bought their whole stock at Hornbach. And now it's just a silhouette. So yeah, just trying to get this as clean as possible.
It takes so long.
Yeah.
It's getting cleaner.
Yeah. Can really get in there.
Yeah, that's the difficult part.
Yep.
We can also just use Dremel.
Yeah.
Which might be even easier. But Jim's contraption works like a charm.
Yeah. Yeah, I just realized I probably should be wearing some eye protection while doing this. So let's get that. Alright, if we were professionals, we take the brackets over to the paint booth. But we're bone professionals. So this is our paint booth. So we've basically hung our brackets over a thing that was on a tractor around here. Yeah.
Let's first look at the instructions. Shake again vigorously. I did that. Prior to coating, remove the red button from the safety cap.
What?
Yeah, I think they mean this, but it's not red. Okay, I don't know why it needs to get off. It needs to go on the bottom.
I don't understand.
I don't know. For safety.
It's a spray can. How hard can it be?
You know. Place safety can down and press the red button with the ball of your hand until stop is reached.
I think you need to put it down somewhere. Oh, I did something, I think.
That's probably it. Okay.
What now?
Spray test.
Spray that paper over there.
20-30 centimeters like this, right?
Let's wait for. Yeah, there you go. Small thin layers.
Ow.
What's Daan? You didn't even spray and you already f***ed it up.
I see the rip.
Oh, there's a rip in your pants.
And it hurts.
Oh.
Now I need new bone pants. Yeah, I think we need 2 layers probably, right?
Yeah, probably good.
Let's finish the other ones and tape it off, right? You can also start with those ones.
Yeah. We're waiting for the brackets to dry. Meanwhile, we've had lunch. We have the cow paste sandwich, but this time we had the jalapeno cheddar variety.
Yes.
What do you think, Dan?
It was actually quite okay. It was like, for example, with cow paste, you generally want something else to have with it, not only cow paste. This was with cheese and jalapeno flavor. Very nice. Would recommend. What would you say, Jim?
Out of 10?
I think even a 9. It was quite good.
9?
Yeah.
Yeah, 8.5.
Also a 9.
We're just about done sponging, Dremel sponging the second caliper.
Yeah.
So now clean it.
Brake cleaner.
And start masking it off in primary.
Yes.
We're done masking the car. We're masking the caliper.
Yeah, nearly. We're in the process of it, but we're getting there.
Very exciting content. Alright, so the actual color layer. That is a very bright yellow.
So we need 2 to 3 coats, 3 to 5 minutes between.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Very yellow.
Like it should be. Like this?
Yeah, but make sure everything has a tiny bit of coating. That's fine. Oh, don't hit the camera.
Good shots. This one is quite fast, so only a few minutes.
Okay. Meanwhile, we're busy masking off everything around the actual calipers.
If you're ready, you can mostly start with that side already, right?
Right.
I think you only needed to do one piece here, the big one, which was difficult for me for some reason. I would pick the bigger tape probably, or not?
This is fine. I have to do it in bits anyway. Because if I can get this in there, that would be easy.
Great. Last layer of clear coat.
Why didn't we just take the calipers off?
We didn't want to do it, but then we also had to do the front immediately. It would have been even longer.
Yeah.
So we still need to do that sometime.
Hmm.
But I think we're now professionals.
Really?
Yeah.
Show your hand. Nice. Okay, the second go around, Daan decided to wear some gloves. It's probably
Smart.
yeah. That's the back side. You're not gonna see that. It's like inside your wheel, pointed towards your hub, behind the brake disc. Your mechanic isn't even gonna see that.
I'm my own mechanic.
Yeah. You're not even gonna see that once we install this back.
But I'm gonna know it.
Alright, we're almost done. Just like one more layer of regular paint and maybe a clear coat, and then it's done. I have to go, so Daan's gonna finish up, and we're just gonna put the clear coat on and leave it.
For now, I think yeah.
And then next
because
time we'll.
it needs to dry a bit, and then yeah, I might even do it tomorrow night or something because work's not that busy, so I might just do it after work.
Okay. Alright, see ya.